Hello and welcome back, scholars. Today we are going to look at three-digit numbers. First, we're going to look at these three-digit numbers in the form of base 10 blocks. So let's look. We've been working on tens and ones, and now we're going to introduce the hundreds. So let's see what those look like. Those words look like. We have the hundreds. We have the tens, which we already know about, and we have the ones. Okay, so when we're looking at the hundreds, the tens, and the ones, let's look at the hundreds first. We're going to start with the hundreds. How many hundreds do we have? Let's remember our skip counting. We can count 2, 4, and 6. So we have 6 hundreds. How many tens do we have? There are 4 rods. These are considered to be tens. So 4 tens is equal to 40. Let's count and make sure. 10, 20, 30, 40. There's not 40 tens, but the value of the tens, of the 4 tens, is 40. And then we have 2 ones. We know the value of the ones. The numbers in the ones place are 1. So we have 1, 2. So we call this 600. This number is 642. Now, let's see how that's written in standard form, word form, and expanded form. So 642 was our number. 600. Okay. 642. This is how the number, the base 10 blocks number, looks in standard form. 642. This time we're going to take the S off of hundred. Hundreds. It was in the hundreds place, but we say 642 when we read the number. And next we have the word form. So what does it look like in words? So 640. Now 4 is spelled F-O-U-R, but 40, you take the U out. 42. Now, when you look at this word, you see this word form. It says 640. You see that? That's called a hyphen. This dash, this line is called a hyphen. So 40 hyphen 2. All right. And then finally we have the expanded form. Expanded form. If you notice, I keep looking up because we have an example right here. Okay. And so there's 2 ways really that you can write the number in expanded form. We're going to use this way here. 600 plus 40 plus 2. And when we looked at the base 10 blocks, that's how it was formed. There were 600s, in this case 600. There were 4 tens, which again the value is of the 4 tens is 40, and then 2 ones. 600 plus 40 plus 2 is the expanded form. Expanded, when we think of the word expanded, it means to widen. To expand means to widen. So that's the expanded form. So we have standard form, word form, and expanded form of that base 10 representation. Now there are spaces here to encourage you to create more numbers similar to this. Thank you for turning your 3-digit numbers into standard, word, and expanded form.